Hey everybody! I want to start by showing you the painting, the dried painting from my last video. And I love, 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 love it. As I said, it is reminiscent of my early mallet smashes. And you can tell there's very, very little tilting done. And I left all of the big kind of sparkler effect. And so, as I said, I didn't tilt, so it was heavy, but you cannot see. I can feel a tiny texture difference, but you cannot see it. And once it's covered in resin, it really won't matter anyways. So, well, let's get started. I'm going to zoom in on this, and I want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart, Kate and Roslyn, for your PayPal donations. It means the world to me, and it allows me to purchase materials to keep making videos, and so on and so forth. So oh my gosh, sorry, I got sidetracked. A text from my brother just flashed across the screen. So I was like looking at that and totally lost my train of thought. So anywho, let me move this out of the way. And I am just doing this little canvas today, 8x8, because I am trying out, even though I am pretty sure it's going to be a messy failure, air. Canned air, which I think is just going to be a mess. But I've been dying to try it for like 2 years now. So we were at Best Buy, and I don't even know how you use this. I can't read it either. The heck's it say? Tear off tab. Okay, that I can do. And I would assume I stick that in there. I may want it without, because that'll give me a broader, but we'll see. We'll play with it. As I said, I foresee it as being a very messy disaster, but you never know. I need gloves. Let me grab some. Because I just can't decide if I should buy a little air compressor or the hair dryer works great. So maybe just keep on keeping with that hair dryer. Alright, so if you read that little sheet beforehand, then you'll know this is my house paint mixed with Floetrol and water. And I'm just going to tilt this. So I think I will do a puddle. I think I'll do the same thing that I did with the hair dryer. So I think I'll do a puddle. Oh, and I meant to bring down here one of my first pieces that I used a hair dryer on, which was a couple years ago. And it's one of my favorites, and it's also one of the first round paintings I had done. And it was still in the early days of my resin. And so it was a whole lot of kind of firsts on that one. Oh, I thought there was like a big chunk of something in there, and it was not. All right. torch these air bubbles. So I'm not really sure on these colors either, but for some reason they're jumping at me. So we're gonna go with it. This is my Prussian blue mixed with a metallic blush, and that blush was a whole bunch of colors. This is a really pretty color. And then I've got gold, which I believe is Grumbacher. And then I've got fluorescent red mixed with vermilion. And good Lord, this fluorescent red by itself is so ugly. Oh my gosh. And then I have Artist Loft Metallic Purple. So kind of a interesting group of colors together. I should probably cover these because I'm sure I'm going to make a big mess. I have a ton of paintings to varnish, and I have been putting it off and putting it off and putting it off. And I've got to do them today. I can't keep putting them off because I can't sell them until I finish them. All right. Oh my goodness, I'm a little scared. I'm kidding, I'm a lot scared. I'm going to, whoa, that really does have a whole lot of power. I am going to see, can you guys, I'm just going to try this because I don't know what it's going to do. Oh my gosh, there's like stuff in it. What the heck is this? Maybe I should use the little straw thing. Oh my gosh. I don't know what that is. Oh, it's doing that to the paint. It's not what's in here because it's just air. I don't know what it's doing to it, but it's a mess. Shh. Okay, so the canned air. Oh my goodness. It's too messy to really even decide if it is worthwhile. Oh my gosh. I told you it was going to be a disaster. I knew it. But I've got some cool movement going on, but I think I will start anew and use the hair dryer this time. I think I'm just going to add those colors. That's so weird what the canned air, I mean, it looked like whipped cream. It looked like it turned the white paint into whipped cream. And you know, actually, I used an air compressor on my parents' table, or attempted to. I can't remember what PSI I had it set to, but I did not like the effect, so maybe I should just stick with the hairdryer. Or if I do get the compressor, make sure I get the travel one that then I can just put in my car so I can fill my tires whenever I feel the need. Okay. This one is kind of interesting. I actually really like it. It looks like just a wild explosion, and it looks exciting. I like this. I'm keeping this one. Well, I mean, I'm not personally keeping it. I will put it on Etsy. But I like it. It's just full of excitement. And I suppose I will use the rest of that compressed air to clean my laptop, which my son says is so gross because I eat at it. Who doesn't though? Come on. I was debating getting rid of this purple right here. But there's like purple coming out of this, and then it looks like it's, I don't know, I'm leaving it. I'm leaving it. This one just jumps out at you. I really like it. I'm gonna, you know what, I was gonna turn it towards you, but I will just bring you over. And we can look at it together. Well, that's a piece I've been working on. It's pretty cool. I like it. Oh, and I do want to show you this piece right here. I put it on my Facebook page. It's a gorgeous piece. The resin is flawless. The colors are gorgeous. The back is a freaking mess. This got stuck on there and the resin. So I, which I almost never ever do, I marked this one down to, there's the video, or the number, to $100 with free domestic shipping. So if you would like this one to be yours, let me know. My mistake is your gain on that one. So I will catch you next time. Bye.